Hello and good evening to everyone who is watching this video. And this is Dr. Muhammad Yassin, and you are watching Dr. Yassin Infection Control YouTube channel. I think one of the most important questions that everybody wants to ask nowadays regarding COVID-19 or coronavirus is about the vaccine. Everybody wants to know where the vaccine preparation or approval process is and when can vaccine be available for everyone to have. So I thought I would record a video about this. So today I will talk about two parts in this video. One part is about the stages of vaccine preparation and approval, and then I will tell you where the vaccines are and how many companies are in this race and which companies are in which stage. So without any further delay, let's talk about the COVID-19 vaccine. But first of all, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that all my upcoming videos you can get the notification. So let's start the video. First of all, let me tell you, vaccines are not like treatment. There's a difference between the treatment or medication and the vaccination. Now, medication means you inhale something, or you eat something, ingest something, or you are injected some medication. So that medication goes into your body and cures your disease. But vaccine is different. Vaccine is actually the same disease, virus or bacteria or anything. And in this case, in COVID-19 case, it is the virus which is inactivated or dead, or a part of the virus. Most of the vaccines for coronavirus which are in preparation are the part of the virus. So the part of the virus is actually injected into the body. So the body naturally, as a reaction to that vaccine, naturally tries to produce antibodies that can then tackle the virus when it enters the body as a natural process. So not for this time, the vaccine time, but later when the actual virus enters the body, these antibodies which are produced in reaction to the vaccine can then take care of that virus. So this is how the vaccines work. Now, how about the vaccine preparation and the approval stages? In any vaccine preparation or approval stage, before it is commercially available to be injected or to be used for people, and there are 5 stages. So stage 1 is called exploratory stage. Exploratory stage means that you look at the virus structure, you look at how it behaves, the characteristics of the virus or the structure of the virus, and then you know about the virus part or the whole virus which needs to be part of the vaccine. So this is called exploratory stage. The second stage is called preclinical stage. Now, preclinical means, clinical always means dealing with the humans or patients. So preclinical means that you are still not using it for the human beings, for people. You use it on the animals to check the safety of the vaccine and to check some response also. So this is called preclinical stage or stage 2. In the stage 3, there are 3 phases within stage 3. Stage 3 is also called clinical trials or human trials. So clinical trials have 3 phases. There is phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Phase 1 is a small scale stage or clinical phase where the vaccine is given to very few people. You can say in dozens, it's less than 100. So it's given to them, and the side effects or the safety of the vaccine is checked, and some responses also checked in that vaccine. And then the second phase is where more people are involved in the clinical trial, and it can be in hundreds, you can say. And in that phase, then it is given to people based on their characteristics or their susceptibility. So people who are more susceptible or vulnerable to get the disease, also based on their characteristics. So the third phase is the longest phase, where it is given to thousands of people, and those people then the vaccine efficacy as well as the safety is checked. So it is also checked that this vaccine is good enough to take care of the virus when it enters the body. So this is the third clinical phase. After 3 clinical phases, the vaccine now needs approval. Now, you can't say that any company can just claim that I have done the clinical phases, I've done all the phases, and now my vaccine is available to be sold commercially or to be given to people. Who will determine that they are telling the truth? So it has to have an approval. So approval is given by each country has their own approving authority. Like for example, in USA, there's FDA, which is Food and Drug Administration. So every country has their own approval authority. So they look into the whole data of what they have done previously to claim that their vaccine is safe and it is efficacious. So after studying the whole process of the vaccine, they give the approval, and then the vaccine is now in the final phase, which is the 5th phase, which is the phase of the production. This is called production phase. So in the production phase, then the vaccines are produced in large number, in masses. So these are all the stages of the vaccine preparation to approval and to reach the human beings for proper usage. Now, let's talk about COVID-19 vaccine. Now you understand the whole process, so I can tell you now where the companies are. There are almost more than 200 companies, you can say 204. So almost 204 companies are in this race now. Out of those 204, 165 companies are still in the preclinical phase. And that means that they have not even tried on the human beings. Only 39 companies are in the clinical phase. 39 is still a good number, but out of 204, only 39 companies. And out of those 39 companies, there are 10 companies which are in the 3rd clinical phase. So which means that after this phase, they will be presenting for approval. Out of those 10 companies, there are Chinese companies. The most are Chinese. 4 of them are Chinese. There is another one which is from AstraZeneca and Oxford University. So Oxford University, as you know, is British university, very famous. There is one Russian vaccine. There is one from Belgium. And the AstraZeneca, as I said, the one with the Oxford University, is from Sweden. And there is one American company which is purely American, which is Moderna. So all these 10 companies are in clinical phase 3. So hopefully soon they will be finishing their clinical phase and they will go into the approval phase. And this is where we are. Most probably, hopefully, by the start of 2021, we may have companies coming up with approval, and then they will start producing. So WHO has a target of by end of 2021. The WHO is targeting that we will have almost 2 billion doses of vaccines available all over the world, which is not obviously enough for the whole world, but at least the vulnerable groups will be given the vaccine until that time. So it should be enough for those people. So, and then about the distribution of the vaccine, some people have doubts about the vaccine, that the rich countries will buy the vaccine or they have already ordered doses of vaccine. So how about the people or poor countries? They cannot afford it. So in this case, WHO has already set up a task force or committee or a group, you can say that, which will look into the fair distribution of the vaccines. It is not going to happen that the rich countries will just buy the vaccines and the poor countries will be left behind. So, and this group will look into the fair distribution, and they will be the one to decide which country will get how much vaccine doses, looking at their population, their vulnerable groups. For example, how many of them have comorbidities, what age groups they have, healthcare workers, everything. So based on that, it will be determined on which countries should have how many doses of vaccine. Obviously, the rich countries will pay for that, but the poor countries will be funded to have the vaccine. The rich countries will pay for themselves and for the poor countries also. So this is where we are now. Let's hope that very soon we'll have the vaccine, and the world will be back to the same again, hopefully. But we can only hope for the best. So take care of yourself and people around you. Thank you very much, and good evening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.